What's up, guys? So I know what you're thinking. This dude has been real janky with the uploads. What's going on? Well, you have every right to think that, and I have been real janky with the uploads. So what I'm going to do is kind of explain what's going on with the channel, what's the future of the channel. Am I going to keep doing videos? The answer is yes. And if so, what do I have planned up for this year of 2020? Because apparently 2020 is just really a good starting point. It's like a brand new beginning, and I'm all about new beginnings. So let's hop into what's going on with the channel. Alright guys, I know it's been a minute and I haven't uploaded a video in about a week or so, so I know everybody's kind of wondering what's going on with the channel. Am I going to continue videos? Is this it? Is this the end? Is he finally just hung up his camera? And the answer is no. Absolutely not. What has happened is I've had a sudden and unexpected increase in workload that I wasn't exactly prepared for this year. Here's the thing, guys. In December 2019, I sat down and made a meticulous plan of how I thought 2020 was going to go. I thought I was going to create 3 sketchbooks for the year, a children's book, a coloring book, and produce another KWAME HIGHTOWER graphic novel. That's what I thought. So I have plenty of creative content, plus, got the Sketchbox challenge going. We got all kinds of stuff to do. Tutorials. I had all of this planned out. And January 2nd, things changed. That being said, that's life. Life is about change. And with kind of my meticulous schedule being thrown out the window, as it were, I've had to kind of adapt on the fly for the past couple of weeks, and yeah, you can tell I haven't been doing that great of a job. But I'm trying to do better, and I promise to do better. So moving forward, we are going to have more videos and more informative videos, just more videos all around. But I may not be able to do 2 videos a week like I have been on a Friday and Monday and Friday schedule, which is kind of a bummer, but sometimes sacrifices have to be made. Speaking of what's currently going on, it's been 6 months, well, a little over 6 months now. We're in January, I got the thing in July, but it's been over 6 months. So I kind of figured I'd just give you guys a quick tour of the studio and show you exactly where we're at this point in its build out, because I haven't finished at all. I thought it'd be done in a month. I didn't finish in a month, but you guys know that. But so far so good. So let's check out what I got so far, and I'll talk to you about some of my plans going forward with building out the studio and how I think it's going to look by mid 2020. I'm hoping. Maybe we'll see. All right, let's check out the studio. Alright guys, so when I got the studio, I knew that I was going to be sharing it with my guys over at Rasa Easel. They only have a small section of the studio, so most of this place is mine. And I knew what I wanted to do. I wanted to break this place up into 3 specific sections. So let me just show you kind of the 3 sections that it's been broken up into. Okay guys, so the first section that I normally start work at is my computer workstation. And basically it's my Dream Desk, the IKEA YouTuber special with the Alex drawers. It's got an ultra wide screen and my favorite computer of all time, this HP Omen, which is just the absolute beast. And here is where I do all of my editing, coloring, emails, set up the website here. Everything in a digital format, everything digital is done at this workstation. So this is why I wanted to have this station as my first station, and it also serves as, of course, a secondary set that I use when a lot of times when I'm doing these talking head type videos. Now, I know I said that my computer workstation is my first station, but my main station that I'm working at is, of course, my drawing desk. And my drawing desk is where basically I create everything from comics to coloring books to children's books, pinups. Everything is done at my drawing desk. It's where I test out new product, the whole 9 yards. It's where I do the Sketchbox challenge. That's my first set. That's where I do most of my recording at. And what I wanted was to have just the elbow room to kind of spread out and work. And this space really gives me that room that I've so desperately needed. Now the third workstation is a bit of a mess right now, guys. It's basically what it's going to be is going to be my third filming station, of course, where I can do top-down filming, but it's also going to be where if I have visitors they can work at, and it's also going to be where if I need to put together, like say for instance packages or to frame and mat artwork, that's where I'm going to do that work at. So again, everything is spread out perfectly, and that's what I love about this space. It's the perfect amount of room for me to spread out and do what I need to do. Alright guys, so I know this is a little bit of a different video. I haven't done one of these in a long time, and I don't plan on doing too many more of these afterwards, honestly. I just want to give you an update on the channel, on what we're doing and where I'm at with the channel. Doesn't mean that I'm going to maintain this schedule. I'm going to try, but no promises because there's a lot of things going on and we're in an extremely liquid situation right now. That being said, I have no plans on stopping producing content. I have no plans on stopping the channel at all. I love drawing, I love creating, I love putting it on YouTube, and I love the reactions from you guys. Even the ones who are critical about stuff they shouldn't be critical about, but it's all in good fun. Guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Now, you know how it works. We got to defeat the YouTube algorithm, so everybody hit that bell icon. That bell icon will let you know when I upload new videos, because you know I haven't been maintaining a real schedule lately, but I'm gonna do better. I promise you, I'm going to do better. If you guys want to get a hold of me, go ahead and hit me up on Facebook at David Gordon 72. You can also hit me up on Instagram and Twitter at DKG72. If you want to follow me on TikTok, that's David Gordon 72. And guys, if you want to support the channel, please hit the Patreon and become a supporter. And of course, you can support DKG72 makes comics. So just look me up there on Patreon. Also, if you like some artwork or like something you see, visit the Foresight Studio website. That's right, got a website. One of the great things that came out of this studio was I got a website. So visit the Foresight Studio website. If you want to book me for events, you can book me for events through the Foresight Studio website. Alright guys, we're gonna have real videos, not this talking head stuff. We're gonna have real videos real soon. On that note, it's your boy DKG72, and I'm out. Peace.